Luke and Jaworski here with yet another edition of Hey, what's Luke up to? Now today we're going to talk a little bit about ants in your house. Now no one likes ants in your house, especially when Aunt Claire comes over for a big family gathering and starts telling stories about how I used to pee the bed as a kid. It's like, Aunt Claire, I was only 13. Cut me some slack. And then next year for your birthday, she thinks it's hilarious to give you a gag gift of some diapers. It's like, whatever. It was not even my size. Plus, I don't even need diapers anymore. I've got rubber sheets. So, whatever. So, to get rid of those ants in your house, I'm not talking about the ants that are like that. I'm talking about ants that start eating crumbs and things because you don't clean up after yourself, like myself. You can use one of 3 products that are found in your household. One of them, Dawn. You throw some Dawn in a spray bottle, put a little water in there, that'll kill them right out. Second thing you could use is some white vinegar. Same thing, pour it in a spray bottle, pour a little water in there. Dead as a mongoose. 3, peppermint. Essential oils peppermint. You can throw this in a little water bottle or a little spray bottle with some water as well. Take good care of them. Now, if you're feeling frisky, like I was, you can put all 3 of these products into one bottle. I call this the Luke Super Duper Ant Spray. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to kill some of these ants that are here. So I'm going to grab the camera. Oh, look at that. Yeah, little cat food. We got Aunt Claire walking through there with all of her yappy friends. So, what I'm going to do, take the spray bottle, you spray them once, bingo, bango, bongo. Look at that. Yeah, and they're going to start running. But they've got nowhere to hide. They're slowing up. Oh, look at that. Just slow. This poor guy. He's struggling. So as you can see, it almost works instantly. A few seconds. And they will go away. But keep in mind, this super duper spray with these products will only kill the ants that you see. They won't kill the source. If you want to kill all of them, I recommend getting a different product to do that, but this will kill anything in sight. That's Luke's tip of the day. Check you later.